taking your time to witness this brand launch of Windsor House Early Years in Chennai. We are proud to announce India's finest new age preschool in India. And we are starting from Chennai. Can I have round of applause? This is just a beginning. We plan to have 150 preschool in next 3 years. And I'm happy to announce that we already have one franchise signed in Hyderabad and one company-owned center in Pune. So that really shows that people are showing trust on us. Even before the launch, we are all set to begin our operation, and these 2 centers will start their operation by next academic year. But more than just numbers, we are more focused on what are the unique features of Windsor House, why we are unique, the actual thinking behind the pedagogy, actual analogy of this business. So for this, I would like to invite my colleague, Parvani Davar, who is the soul of academics. So she'll take you through the academic part and the curriculum part. Over to you, Parvani.
Well, Vanakkam Chennai. Thank you so much for sparing your Sunday morning for us. It means the world to us. And like Kavar very rightly said, that we have started on the right foot. It is with a lot of intent, effort, and I would also say the cosmic power that has been playing itself towards our intention. So it is said that when you have the right intention and when you're solving for something, things automatically start falling in place. Now, what are we solving for at Windsor House? We are solving for a requirement or a sentiment for young parents. The age group of families whom we cater to, not the children, the families whom we cater to are young parents. They have a lot of anxiety, they have a lot of exposure, yet they need a lot of guidance and support in the upbringing of their child. That is where we step in. They are all well-traveled. Most of the people have, are working professionals, very set in their values and have a very clear understanding of what they want their child to be. That is the kind of ecosystem we are providing at Windsor House. The curriculum, while neuroscience-based, globally researched, also banks a lot on the Indian values, the Panchakosha, the Aditis, all those things are very deeply rooted. We draw a lot of inspiration from our local leaders, thought providers and thinkers. Apart from that, the curriculum is very driven by the new age skill sets because we are heading to a world which will be highly automated, yet the human essence is something that will all keep us connected. So that is what Windsor House is aspiring for. That is what the Windsor House provides. And we welcome all of you to experience the Windsor House with us. Thank you.
So I have my colleague Neha Dolwani with us. So she'll take you through the corporate childcare.
For parents of today's age, especially the new age parents, they have first-time mothers, first-time dads. They need a lot of guidance as to how to bring up the child. Windsor House doesn't stop at just a preschool education. We also provide childcare services. What does a child do after school? How to keep them engaged throughout the day and have an after-school program which is on childcare. Windsor House will also provide childcare services in corporate parks, residential societies, and as Kavar already mentioned, we have already collaborated with Pune's largest upcoming corporate park at Godrej in Koregaon Park. where we are starting corporate childcare as well as early years program. And that is why I feel the brand is called Windsor House, because for a parent, when the parent is leaving the child, it's leaving the child to another home, a second home, and that's Windsor House. We would open the dais for questions if you have any, and we could pass the mic.
வணக்கம் யாருக்காவது ஏதாவது கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தமிழில் கேட்கணும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா யூ கேன் ஆல்சோ கோ ஹெட் தமிழில் கேட்கலாம் நீங்கள்.
Age group.
So our childcare programs offers care to 6 months old infants up to the preschool program starts at 2 years of age, and the after school program is up to 8 years. So from 6 months to 8 years, 3 formats.
Safety of the kids.
So safety is paramount. It is something which goes parallelly when children are involved. We have done an in-depth research on what are those parameters which are globally practiced. Things like the NACI, the bodies which are internationally known, the NEP, NCF has given us guidelines for safety. So we have ensured that we are adhering to all that. Safety is not only just infrastructure, it is also the emotional safety of a child and a family. That is also taken care by all the adults who will be dealing with the children in our spaces. So that is something which is very research and very standardized and as part of our SOPs and our procedures. So that's how we are taking care of that.
All your teachers are trained by in-house or outside?
So the curriculum is something which is in-house curated, and we do have some early years experts on panel like our advisory and certain experts over there who will contribute to the training program. However, the conduct or the implementation, we would like to keep the flavor with us. So that's how we will be doing. Sorry? The fee structure.
So fee structure will vary city to city, location to location. That will be deciding on the basis of what location we choose or the prospect will choose. But ideally, we are looking at more than 2 lakh rupees of fees annually. We want to enter into premium segment. We don't want to cater mass market. It's a signed, yeah. So we have signed one franchise in Hyderabad, and this is franchisee model, and in Pune, it's a company owned. So we are into early years education since last 17 years, and we are now entering into premium segment. So this is a new brand launch. So Windsor House, as an expertise, we have good, backed up by good research team. So there's lots of brain behind this curriculum and the structure, each and everything. And we'll take you through the actual look and feel of the Windsor House. So we have video with us, so you can have a look. So after the question, we will play video. So the end of this press conference, we'll get the idea what kind of, so whatever we are talking, that will actually complement with the video what we are talking. Sorry? So as we said that we are not, we don't want to scale that much. For us, it's not a business. We actually want to nurture the early years education. So there are lots of competition, but in this premium segment, only few. Those are delivering on international standard. So we want to tap that market. So as I said that initially we are looking at to building the foundation with the right people, with the right location. So first phase, we have chosen only 6 cities, which is Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, and Chennai. We are starting from Chennai, and we don't want to populate much. We are focused, quality-driven brand.
சார் இது வந்து இந்த ரெக்கக்னைஸ் வந்து எப்படி கவர்மெண்ட் மூலமாக பண்ணுறீங்களா எப்படி சார் இது செப்பரேட்டாக
புரியல சார்.
சார் இந்த ஆர்கனைசேஷன் வந்து இப்போ ரெக்கக்னைஸ் வந்து கவர்மெண்ட் மூலம் பண்ணுறீங்களா எப்படி கவர்மெண்ட் அப்ரூவ்டா சார் இது நடத்துறீங்களா இப்போ
It's a private limited company.
பள்ளி ப்ரைவேட்
Yes, it's a private limited company.
எயித் இயர் வரைக்கும் நடத்துறீங்க எயித் இயர் வரைக்கும் பண்ணுறீங்களா சார் எந்த போர்டில் சிபிஎஸ்சியில் வருமா இல்லை ஸ்டேட் போர்டில் வருமா
சார் இது 8th போர்டு வரைக்கும் கிடையாது சார். இது வந்து ப்ரீ ஸ்கூல். இது நம்ம பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு பேசிக்காக இப்போ நம்ம ப்ரீ ஸ்கூலுன்றது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 2லேருந்து 6 வயசு இருக்கிற குழந்தைகளுக்காக இது. அதாவது ப்ளே குரூப், ப்ரீகேஜி, எல்கேஜி, யூகேஜி. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து அவங்க K-12 ஸ்கூல்ஸ், ரெகுலர் ஸ்கூல்ஸ்க்கு மாறிப்பாங்க அவங்க. ஸோ இந்த செக்மெண்ட்டில் நம்ம ப்ரீமியமாக கொடுக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறோம் நம்ம. ஓகே சார், இது 8th வரைக்கும் கிடையாது. ஸோ இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஈக்குவலாக.
8th மந்த் வரைக்கும் 8th இயர் வரைக்கும் கொடுத்துருங்க.
புரியல.
Up to 8 years is an after school program. So there'll be a childcare program where the infants and the babies are with us. Then there will be the preschool program starting from 2 to 3 years. So pre-nursery, nursery, kindergarten 1 and kindergarten 2. After that, other after school activities, which is the enrichment activities, which is up to 8 years. So there can be a grade 1 child or a grade 2 child of a different school coming to Windsor House for the evening activities, for hobby development, skill development. That is the intention.
புரிஞ்சுதுங்களா? ஸோ இது வந்து 8th கிரேட் வரைக்கும் கிடையாது, 6 இயர்ஸ் வரைக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் 8 இயர்ஸ் வரைக்கும் இருக்கிற குழந்தைகளுக்கான டே கேர் பற்றி நம்ம பேசுவோம்.
Right. So, see, in early childhood education, physical and the emotional, the social emotional, as you say, the mental well-being of a child is something that happens holistically and it happens simultaneously. So, you know, there are certain developmental milestones which are standard for this age group, which we have mapped, and there will be teaching and learning in the classroom. There will be materials in the classroom that will develop the physical well-being of the child and the emotional well-being. So for example, physical development is not just about gross motor. It is not about running, jumping, climbing. It is also about a child being able to pick up a spoon and, you know, have those self-independent skills. So something as minute as that is what we are taking care of. Social emotional development is, you know where how the world is moving now. Social emotional is when a child is able to understand how the child will behave in a certain situation, right? So those kind of research-based practices is something we have adopted into the curriculum, and it is not something which is happening once in a week or once in a month. It is a daily classroom routine which we will implement. That is why our children will become whole human beings. We are talking about the whole child here. That's our intention.
Your business model is only franchisee or companies? Your business model, yes, sir.
So
It is one.
there are 4 types of model: FOFO, COCO, COFO. So we are basically focusing on franchisee model. But yes, meanwhile, if we get the chance, we'll also do the company owned as well.
This year, financially, how many schools you want to plan? What is the
As
target?
already mentioned that I'm not looking at number, but this year we want to start 6.
This year.
6. So next academic year they'll be get into operational. So out of 6, 2 already done.
So, okay. What is the plan for next 5 years, something like that?
So I told you that we want to have 150 schools in next 3 years.
Next
3 years.
Okay. Next year.
That again depends on the area and the city. So we want to build best in class. So 8,000, 10,000 square feet of the area is required. Yes, yes, definitely.
Are they willing to put people in the play school, sir?
Yes,
Because-
it's a good market.
Good
That's why we are here.
No, that's understandable. Okay.
It's a good market. So we have done our research on the basis of number.
Okay.
So we want to enter into this market. And again, this is not a business. The business is yes, but yes, for primary, we want to enter into premium segment. Premium doesn't mean that only about costing. So premium means the actual what service we are imparting towards early years of children. So that is our main focus.
After this, what will be the character of the children when they come out of this? What do you aim the child?
Yeah. So the child who has experienced the Windsor House Early Years program is something who is a well-rounded human being. When I say a well-rounded human being, the head, the heart, and the hands work in sync. You know, so the child is something who will be compassionate, empathetic. We are talking about a world where AI and automation, bioengineering, space tech, this will be what the future. So our children will be those who can adapt, will have resilience, will be rooted in values, and yet somebody who works with these three parts of their being, of the head, the heart, and the hands together. That is what we are aiming to work with our children, and that's how, again, the future readiness and all those things is obviously, it is inevitable. If I'm doing an educational program, you have to have the skills in place. But skills, again, is not something that will help them cope with the future. Hence, these characteristics. Yeah. And also, I just wanted to say one thing here, that for Windsor House, when you talk about the premium part of it, the premiumness is the experience and the emotion of a parent, that you have somebody here who matches your aspiration, right? That is the premiumness. The cost and all that, of course, has to be kind of complementing the premiumness. But the premiumness is that, you know, if I envision my child, if I am a well-exposed parent, and if I have a certain aspiration, then I don't have to wait for a higher education to groom my child. I have to start early, I have to start young, and that's how Windsor House steps in.
So, if we don't have any questions, we'll conclude with videos to give you a look and feel of.
சார் வேறு யாருக்காவது ஏதாவது கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்குங்களா? Any other questions? Yeah. Can we proceed with the video?
Durvani, I head the corporate daycare division at Windsor House, and Windsor House is going to provide quality childcare services in corporate parks as well as residential communities, solving everyday problems of new age parents who struggle daily with childcare. And this is a growing need, and we are here to solve a problem that many parents are facing today and many nuclear families are facing today.
And I would like to add, even before this launch, I'm happy to announce that we have already signed one franchise in Hyderabad and one company-owned center in Pune. We want to have 150 schools in next 5 years across India.
Special Features is a high quality early years program which is deeply rooted in the global best practices in Indian values, and which is developing a tribe. We are not working just with a child, we are welcoming families and creating a community of shared learning, shared vision, and supporting children to meet their developmental needs. So we are starting with 6 months babies who come to us in our childcare program. Then we have the preschool program that starts from 2 years to 6 years. and our after school program for 6 months. Okay, somebody has to. It is not. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Yeah, yeah, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Let me understand your question. I will tell you. Can you please translate that? Hmm. Correct. 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 So, while you're right, generally 6-month-old babies, if you have a supportive system in the house, if there is somebody to take care of the child, for example, in joint families where there is intergenerational learning that is happening, then the child doesn't need to come to a childcare. What are we solving here is where there is only a mother and a father, both of them are working, but they don't have somebody to take care of the child. What do we do now? This is a service at Windsor House where we have specialized nurses, we have qualified trainers, and yes, the brain starts developing immediately, not even when the child is born, when the child is conceived. So the brain is already working and developing. So it is not that at the 6 months, there are some sensory experience that a child needs to have at 6 months. But if there's nobody at home, no adult to look after the child, then of course this becomes an answer to that, right?
Just
so
to
this
add
is
on,
what we are doing.
We are talking about two services here. One is childcare and another is preschool. Preschool starts much later, but the problem for mothers who are working today starts when they have to go back to work. As per the Maternity Act, a mother gets only 3 months of leave after the baby is born. But for a mother to go back to work, she has to wait for 3 months or 6 months, sometimes 2 years, 5 years.
Yeah.
But with Windsor House Childcare, mother can be rest assured, she can go to work and she can put the child in childcare. Childcare is very, very different than
A preschool
a
program.
preschool. Childcare means changing the nappies, feeding properly the child, stimulating with developmental milestones, taking care of a child like a mother would do at home, and also giving them learning and teaching aid, right rhymes, right music, so right sensory development of the child. That is what starts at 6 months at Windsor House. So the 6 months program is for childcare, and the preschool program starts much later. I hope I have clarified your question. Yeah. So when it
Let me
comes,
answer that.
okay.
So, see, feeding is a part of growing up for a child. It is a part of their developmental journey. So, when what we do here is we have trained professionals who are nurses, who are caregivers, who understand what kind of formula is needed for the child, what kind of nutrition needs does the child have. So it has to happen in unison with the families. We take support from the family. We ask them what is the feeding pattern of the child, how many times are you feeding the child. Based on that, we curate one-on-one baby plans. It is not that there is a feeding plan which is applicable to all the babies. Each baby will have their own feeding plan, various nutritional requirements. So that is how scientifically it is all developed and designed, and that's how we cater to the need of the baby. Okay, so when a 6-month baby is now learning, the baby is not even moving at 6 months, right? The baby has to be held in hand. The baby is probably just learn to turn at a side.
the milestone or the development starts from everything. When the child will then immediately start to crawl, the child will get up, start walking, all those growth patterns are the milestones which we talk about, which will happen when the child with us. So that is the kind of stimulation which Neha said is what we have to give to the child in our care. Then when the child comes to, from an infant, we say the child becomes a toddler. Now the child is crawling, the child is holding something and standing up. The child has now started to walk with support. So all these things are where the development is happening. It is also the child is recognizing colors, the child is recognizing familiar voices. So all these are developmental milestones for a baby. Reading and writing is not just the only developmental milestone. These are basic milestones where the brain is also developing so that the child can eventually read and write. Right? So all that developmental milestones which are standard. There are global standards where the milestones are mapped, which after COVID have also been revisited because the learning needs of the child has changed. So all that has to happen in our space because we have the child with us for the entire day. It is our responsibility, right? That is the mapping we do, right? I'll tell. Correct. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. So first of all, that is a very brilliant and valid point about children being exposed to flashlights. So many times they are photographed, which is not appropriate. So that is where we step in, right? We are the ones. First of all, in our schools, that is not going to happen. Right? We are not going to be photographing babies and we are not going to be exposing them to screen time because we have enough learning materials in our spaces. We don't have to rely on a screen for that, first of all. Second of all, these habits have to be inculcated. This doesn't happen once in a while and the parent has to partner with us. If we teach something, we develop a certain habit for a child in our classroom, but the parent and the family doesn't follow it, then there is no point, right? That's when we bring in the parent and we educate them also. We tell them that this is what you should be doing, limit the screen time for the child and things like that. However, we are talking about the Gen Alpha and the Beta, right? They are the ones who are going to be living in a digital world. So you cannot keep them away from it. It is not that they shouldn't learn to interact. What we need to teach them is how to use it responsibly, right? So they have to learn how to use the digital media or the social media and all that. But as adults, as educators and as families, we have to teach them how to use it responsibly, which we will do at Windsor House. That's a plan for that, right?
Thank you.